Okay, karibu tujifunze kutengeneza applications za Android kwa kutumia Java programming language, PHP, MySQL database. Okay, kwenye video tutorial hii tutaona namna ya kutengeneza support fragment. For example, user atapick a problem, okay, kisha ata write message, kisha atabonyeza commit. Data zitaenda kwenye database ya MySQL kwenye table ya message, okay? So for example, akiclick pick a problem, tutokea dialog box yenye list items, okay? So user ata select a particular item, kisha atabonyeza select, kisha atakuja kubonyeza commit. Data zitaenda kwenye database, okay? So kwenye previous tutorials tuliona namna ya kutengeneza home fragment. Tuliona namna kutumia grid system kwa ajili ya kutengeneza is card layout, okay? So hizi ni data ni dynamic na ni driven, zinatoka kwenye database ya MySQL, okay? So tuliona pia namna ya kutengeneza option menu na hizi items, okay? So for example, akiclick log out, user ana log out, okay? So tuliona pia namna ya kutengeneza action bar toggle pamoja na toolbar, okay? Kisha tuliona namna kutengeneza fragment ya installments. So hizi ni loan installments, okay? Kisha tuliona namna current user ana login kwenye Android application, then anakutana na data ambazo ni current user ali login, okay? So tuliona namna kutengeneza navigation drawer, okay? So navigation drawer ni drawer iliyobeba navigation header and navigation items, okay? So tuliona set event ya kuclick navigation drawer open, click navigation drawer close, okay? So tuliona pia namna kutengeneza login page au login activity, okay? Tuliona pia namna kufanya data validation upande wa back end. So user click commit, then nafanyika authentication, then user ana login anaingia katika dashboard, okay? So now leo tunaona namna kutengeneza fragment support. Fragment support ni hii hapa, okay? Now hii hapa, so akiklik kwenye support, okay, anakuja kwenye hii page, then ana just kupick a problem, natokea dialog yenye list items, okay? Then ana select a particular item, then anakuja kusend a problem, okay? So now open Android Studio, so tulipoishia, okay? So now come to fragment, of course is fragment support. So open fragment support, okay? So now click split, okay? So come to login, okay? Then just copy hizo code, so I'm sorry, copy, select all and copy kwenye login activity, okay? So come to fragment support, then select all, delete it, and then paste, okay? So tumepaste login. So now tuna remove baadhi ya vitu, okay? So come to remove linear layout, okay? For example, now na remove linear layout, hii hapa na remove, okay? Then remove logo, okay? So just remove image view, okay? So now tumebakiwa na hii hapa input field. So input field hii itakuwa just a heading, okay? So come to hint, change hint, okay? So just write heading, okay? So now come to ID, then change ID to heading, okay? ID is heading, okay? After then now remove drawable left, okay? So remove e icon, okay? So itakuwa hivi, okay? So now set margin top, okay? So margin top, so choose margin top equal to, for example, is 50 dp, okay? So now come to password, okay? So now remove drawable start, okay? And just remove maximum lines, okay? Then maximum length equal to 500, okay? So now come to layout height equal to 100, okay? 100 dp, okay? So unaona imeongezeka, so you can choose 150, okay? We expand, okay? So now remove password toggle tint, okay? So remove, okay? So remove, so remove ID, so hii itakuwa just a message, okay? After then come kwenye hii input type text password remove, okay? Then choose style, then select a text style, then choose italic. Okay, so copy the same code and come to duplicate kwenye layout ya juu. Okay, come to duplicate, so duplicate hapa. Okay, so now you can see heading and its password, so remove password. Now andika write your message here, for example write your message. Okay, so kwenye heading hapa now just kupike problem. Okay, so tunakuja hapa kwenye input type hii hapa ya kwanza. So now remove heading and just write pick a problem. Okay, pick a problem. Okay, so now come to here hapa, pick a problem hapa. Okay, and then select editable equal to false. So it just use at editable equal to false, editable. Okay, then select editable as well, editable, select editable equal to false. Okay, editable equal to false, and then choose focus. Okay, equal to, just select a false. Okay, and after then we come to button. Okay, so button is not login, send message. Okay, send message button, so ID will be message btn. Okay, message underscore btn. Okay, send message btn. Okay, so now we come to fragment support. Okay, so access our package. Okay, so now support fragment. Okay, so now delete from to do hapo, delete mpaka hapa karibu na layout inflator hapo. Okay, so now delete. Okay, so now arrange our code itakuwa hivi. So now remove return keyword. Okay, so just write view, then view. Okay, equal to inflator dot inflate. Okay, in inflate fragment support. Okay, so now just come to return view. Okay, so now come to delete hizi hapa, so delete. So hapa tunatengeneza global variable. Global variable is kuchukua text. Okay, input layout. Okay, ya kwanza itakuwa ni heading. Okay, ya pili itakuwa just message and terminate. Then we just create a button here, button, then btn underscore send. Okay, so now we come to main method. Okay, so now we initialize our object. Okay, so now heading equal to view. Okay, view dot find view by id, r dot id dot heading. Okay, then come to terminate. Okay, r dot id dot heading, so ipo kwenye fragment support. So just select, so heading ni hii hapa. So now just check heading, come to put hapa chini hii id, so nimeweka hapa chini. So kwenye support hapo na just kuiondoa hapa hii heading. Okay, so just remove it, then hii itakuwa ni just edit text. Okay, now edit text is heading. Okay, yes, use heading. Okay, then terminate. Okay, so heading equal to view dot find view by id, r dot id dot heading. Okay, again message equal to view, okay, dot find view by id, r dot id dot message. Of course is message of course message. So now come to our fragment support, come to message, then message id is message. Okay, so now id is, of course, is message. Okay, then button send equal to find equal to view, dot find view by ID. Okay, so now r.id dot message send. Okay, message btn. Okay, sorry. So now, so position cursor, then just ku highlight zote zionekane zipo kwenye fragment support kuepuka multiple implements. Okay, so now set event is btn send dot set on click listener, then new view on click listener. So we just call validation method. Okay, so now after calling, just we terminate. So come here, then just andika public, return type is void. Okay, so now validate. Okay, so now, so if what heading dot get text dot to string dot equals, okay, dot equals to empty. Okay, so ikiwa hajajaza message hajaandika. Okay, so now ikiwa heading hajaandika, so now heading dot set error. Okay, so error is required. Okay, again errors if, okay, if is message dot get edit text dot get text, okay, dot to string, okay, dot equals, okay, dot equals to empty. What to do then? Message dot set error, then message is required. Okay, so now errors, okay, so now errors, now btn send dot set text as well, set text. Okay, so now please wait. Okay, please wait. Okay, so now we just terminate. So btn send dot set clickable, okay, equal to, now we can't click, equal to false. Okay, so now we call now our method send message. Okay, so now we come to create send message method public, okay, void send what, send message. Okay, so just come here terminate. So come to user in operations. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and come to, sorry, and after copying, copy is up. So come to duplicate. Okay, so this will be send message or complaint. Okay, so now message.php itakuwa ni API, so hii itakuwa ni API. So then call response and copy it. Okay, come to duplicate. So message name, method name will be send message method. Okay, so now at field, the first one will be username. Okay, so now string username. Okay, another one itakuwa just at field. Okay, field will be heading. Okay, then string heading. Let's choose string. Okay, heading. The last one, okay, just show it. Okay, so na just kuja kuclick hapo ili kuweza so kuona vizuri. Okay, let's click again. Okay, just wait. Okay, so let's come here. Hii just takuwa ni at field. At field will be a message. Then will be a string data type. Okay, string message. After then come to terminate, right? So come to support hapo. So just create a variable, okay, so string message 2, okay, message 2 equal to message dot get edit text dot get text dot to string. Okay, so again string heading. Okay, so now hapa nitakuwa careful. So kuna concept nataka kufanya ya ku onyesha data ya kuonyesha hizi, of course ni hizi hapa. So just kuonyesha akibonyeza pick problem zinataka zitokee hizi. Okay, so hizo zinaitwa ni, hiyo ni alert dialog. Okay, so hiyo ni alert dialog, na hiyo alert dialog itajaribu kuonyesha list of items ambazo user atakuwa na anaziselect hiyo alert dialog. Okay, so unakuja kwenye heading hapa juu kabisa hapa. Okay, kwenye heading juu kabisa. Okay, so heading dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. Okay, so now we call show alert dialog. Okay, hii method tumecall. Okay, show alert dialog. So hiyo method ya show alert dialog tunataka ku create somewhere kabla ya send message. Okay, somewhere hapa. Okay, so now void show alert dialog method ile ambayo tumecall kule juu tunataka kuitengeneza hapa. Okay, so now alert dialog dot we access a builder equal to object alert dialog dot builder equal to alert dialog. Okay, so equal to new alert dialog builder. So hapa tume initialize object. Okay, so now here we just use get context. Okay, so just come to terminate. So alert, okay, alert dialog dot set title. Okay, the title will be select, kama inavyoonekana hapa, select category. Okay, so now select category, select desired category. Okay, select desired category. Okay, so now we create a string. So just put an empty array. Okay, then we assign to items. Okay, that's right, items equal to, just put string. Okay, so now hapa tunaandika zile string zetu hapa. Just so for example extend long duration, for example. Okay, here one is the first. The second one will be incorrect loan installments, extend loan duration, incorrect loan installments. Okay, so incorrect loan installments. Okay, and in fact just postpone loan duration. Okay, just postpone loan. Okay, enough. Okay, another one will be transfer the loan. So transfer loan. Okay, so another one will be invalid loan computation, invalid loan computation. Okay, so now the last one will be long, of course you just enough, unaweza kuziandika nyingi unavyoweza wewe. Okay, yes, andika tu hapa other enough. So unaweza kuzipanga hapa zikajaa zikawa nyingi, so haina limitation kwa zitakuwa ni ngapi. Okay, okay, so int, okay, okay, now check item equal to 1. So you may tengeneza just a user defined variable. So array dialog dot set single choice items, of course set single choice items. Okay, itatoka hapa kwenye hizi items. Okay, so just select from items. Okay, then check the item. Okay, so equal to new, then we find the dialog interface dot on click listener, of course ni hapa. Okay, inaona ime implement method. Okay, so now we come to terminate. Okay, so after public void on click dialog interface, okay, into which I'll just weka hivi lione vizuri. Okay, so now hapa tuna switch which item is selected. So we have items Amazon hizi, so now we check which items is selected. So switch which, okay, tuna switch which hiyo ambayo imepitishwa hapa. So which item is selected, so implement switch body. Okay, so now case 0 itakuwa ni extend long duration. Okay, so case 0 would be, so now we put data kwenye heading. So heading dot set text. Okay, extend long duration. Okay, I'll just copy it and paste. Okay, then break. Okay, and copy the same code, then come to duplicate. So this one will be case 1, then you correct long installments, then you select it, then you come to paste. Okay, so this one will be case 2. Let's put case 2. Okay, case 2. Okay, case 2 will be what? Postpone colon. So copy it and come to duplicate. Okay, yes, put quotation here. Okay, so now copy the same code and come to duplicate. Okay, now this one will be case 3. Okay, so case 3 will be transfer the ROM. Okay, so now copy it. Okay, so will be transfer the ROM. Okay, so now copy the same code, then come to duplicate. So case 4 will be invalid loan computation. So now copy it. Okay, so now come to duplicate. Okay, so now this will be case 4. The last one, yes, copy it. Okay, so it will be case 5. Okay, so in case 5 we just put other. Okay, yes, other. Okay, so inakuwa ndani ya quotation like this. Okay, so now position cursor, then suppress. Okay, now suppress, so itaondoa hiyo ambayo imekuwa ime highlight. Okay, so tunakuja hapa, so na kusema kwamba na alert dialog. Okay, dot set positive button. Okay, positive button itakuwa now select. Yes, positive button itakuwa ni hii hapa, select. Okay, now select. Yes, itakuwa ni just a positive button. Okay, so now weka comma. Okay, so new dialog interface dot set on click listener. Of course, dialog interface. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, equal to new, then dialog interface dot on click listener. So dialog dialog interface dot interface, okay, dot dot on click listener, okay, just here hapo, okay. I'm so just dialog interface, of course, dialog interface dot on click listener, of course, ni okay. Okay, so now we just dialog.cancel here, dialog.cancel, okay. Okay, so now come here, just terminate, okay. So hapo mwisho kabisa ngoja kui display hii dialog, so alert dialog and alert, okay, equal to our dialog, alert dialog, okay. So alert dialog equal to alert dialog, okay, dot create, okay. After then alert dialog alert, okay, dot set on touch outside the console, set on touch, yeah. So now choose false, false. So alert dialog dot show alert dot show, okay. Just hapa kuna hii error false, hii hapa, okay. Okay, so now close it, yeah, close it. Just close. Okay, so now we're going to kufunga hii bracket, okay. So we come to close up, close, okay. Okay, so now heading 2 equal to heading dot get text, then dot toString, okay. And let's come to terminate. Okay, so now we call our method, of course. Before calling, now come to copy installments. Kwenye installments now copy shared preferences, okay. Come to support, okay. So just come here kwa ajili ya kuinitialize, okay. Again kuja ku copy shared preference na hii just a username, okay. Na kuja ku applicate kwenye support, so nakuja ku create somewhere hapa, okay. Select hapa kwa ajili ya ku get current username, okay. Okay, so now call kwa ajili ya ku call message response. So now come to of course, okay, so call, so now we call save a response, okay. So now we create an object of call, okay, equal to just equal to server connection. So you access get server connection, okay. So use date operator, then we access dot create. So instead create, we call user operations method in interface dot class, okay. After then we just access a method in send message method. First argument is username. So nikibonyeza control na of course nikiposition cursor kwanza kuonyesha kwamba zinapita argument zipi. So nikija katika operation ya kwanza napita username, ya pili ni heading, ya tatu ni message, okay. So username tunamchukua huyu hapa ambaye amepita hapa kwenye shared preference. So tunaweza variable inaitwa string username tukaiassign kwenye shared preferences. So tuna capture nationwide. Okay, so first one will be username, second one will be heading 2, last one will be message 2. Okay, just you terminate. Okay, so now we listen the response. So there's a mistake here. Save a response, remove type argument. Okay. So kama kuna errors. Okay, come to delete. So delete call, then write again, then choose call retrofit 2, so you are ataondoka. Okay, kwa sababu to download library ya retrofit. Okay, now we access our object ambayo tumetengeneza hapa, ni so call is .enq equal to new callback save a response. Okay, so now hapa tunapokea response kutoka katika file la PHP. Okay, so now come to PHP. Okay, so tukitengeneza dashboard, installments na login. So hii ni message. Okay, so message.php. Okay, so now okay, so come to login. Okay, so copy the same code login. So come to duplicate kwenye message. So just change baadhi ya vitu. So username is the same. Okay, then hii itakuwa ni heading. Okay, just is variable heading. Okay, this is heading. Yes, heading. So heading tunaandika hapa ni key. Hii ni key ambayo tunaitoa kwenye Android application. So nikija kukuonyesha hapa kwenye user operation interface, hizi key ndo tunaziandika pale, is heading message. Okay, come here, heading. Okay, just undo, just kuna mistake hapa. Okay, so tuna heading, so just hapa itakuwa ni heading. Okay, so if is set hiyo heading, so just hapa andika tena heading, just is variable. So now hii ni heading. Okay, the last one will be message. Message. Okay, and let's copy message and come to duplicate. Okay, and message, and again message. Okay, so select all from table name is message. So you know how to access PHP MyAdmin somewhere. Okay, for example here. So access localhost and PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so PHP MyAdmin itakuwa opened. So kama just make close, just open XAMPP and click XAMPP. Okay, then start service MySQL pamoja na Apache service start. So you click start and then click start. So database itakuwa opened. So access message. Okay, so access structure, our table is message. Okay, so now select all from message, where national ID equal to username. Okay, and heading equal to variable heading. Okay, so target application ya heading ile, so user anakuwa is read heading ile. Okay, okay, so now we execute the query. Okay, so he just remove. Okay, and come to remove a full name is shape. Okay, okay, so else make hii message hapa itakuwa mtu anairudia hiyo hiyo. So now else tutakuja kuinsert new data hapa. So variable query equal to insert into message. Okay, so na mention hapo columns. Okay, kama kwanza ni national ID, heading and status moja ya message. So national ID, heading na message, national ID, heading na message. Okay, ID, okay, then heading, okay, and message. Okay, so now we specify values. Okay, yes, so values will be variable username, tenda kwenye national ID. Okay, so again variable heading and variable message. Okay, and let's terminate. So now I just come to execute the query. So just copy the same code. Okay, variable execute to, okay, you go to my SQL query niko hapo. So if variable execute true, okay, ikiwa ime execute successful, then we send these keys kwenye Android application. So now come to close. Okay, okay, let's copy, then come save changes. Now come to refresh. You come to localhost here. Okay, now click, then just click message. Of course errors azikosekanagi 27 line number 27, just in errors. Variable execute, of course select all from message. So message or messages, you have an error in check syntax. So we're gonna syntax error somewhere. Number 27, of course error itakuwa ni hapa, select. Okay, so hii bracket haipo. Okay, save changes, come to refresh again. Okay, number 27 bado ameshikilia. Okay, so 27 select all from message, where national ID equal to variable username and heading equal to variable heading. Sipo correct. Execute call to execute query. What is the problem? Okay, there's a problem here. Okay, this is variable query. I'm sorry, variable query. Okay, query. So ndo hii tuloandika. Okay, so let's save changes. Still, okay, I'm so sorry. So column ya national ID na underscore. Okay, so just come to refresh. So on national ID. Okay, and come to save changes. Now come to refresh my page, close this one. Okay, so SQL unknown column, national ID in field list. Okay, so error number 43. Okay, 43, this one. Okay, okay, I hope this one. Okay, national ID. So save changes. Now come to refresh. Okay, so a national ID customer on create cascade. So hapa ina just, okay, so now national ID, for example, just put here A, username is A, for heading, for example, A, and the message A, and save changes. So we now avoid in okay, so now you can see that code is 0. Okay, for example, username is, now come to so So now just come to database, come to browse. So now you can see A, and message is AAA. Okay, also see. So same again, when heading just write N, save changes. Now come to, okay, before coming to refresh, just users code is 1. Okay, so hapa users code ikiwa ni 1, manake just just repeat the same data. Okay, else manake users code is 0, so just hapa nita kinyume, so users code is 0, then else users code will be 1. Okay, so now save changes, come to refresh our page, on this one. Okay, so come to refresh. Okay, and then you can see message imekuja huko. Okay, so this one will be users code will be 1. Okay, now let's try mara mwisho. For example, message is KKKKK. Save changes. Okay, when I come to refresh. Okay, let's refresh message. So now you can see users code is 1. Okay, so when I come to database, okay, now is 0, so we avoided application. Okay, now you can see KKKK. Okay, so now delete, so you can testing data. Okay, okay, so users code ikiwa 0, user manake we ana repeat the same problem. Ikiwa 1 is okay. So now we come to Android application. Okay, so we come to support. Okay, of course in hapa. Okay, so if response dot code equal to this one. Okay, and one hapa server may establish connection successful, else just display in a toast message. So create a new toast, then get application context, then response timeout, response time out. Okay, so now copy the same. Okay, I come here. Okay, so if response dot now body dot get status as well dot equals to okay. Okay, ikiwa ni okay, so status ikiwa za kuichukua hapa, if status ikiwa ni okay. Okay, so now we check for users code. Okay, so if response dot body dot get results code ikiwa iko to 1, maana kwamba imekuwa successful inserted. Okay, so now toast, so toast dot length long or successful sent. Okay, sent, but else una just then message dot set error. Okay, the same problem. Okay, then has been, for example, detected. Okay, and then heading and just dot set error, now error. Okay, so now come to upper variable. Okay, upper response, then paste it, then just write response time out, no internet connection as well. Okay, so we come to run our application. Okay, so now run our application. So nita just ku select emulator hii hapa. So hii ni smartphone. Okay, so nitakuja kwenye my smartphone kwa ajili ya kurun. So now I just select support. Okay, so I'll pick a problem and select, and then for example extend long duration. Okay, after then I click select. So naona hii hapa imetokea. Okay, so now my message is blah 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 blah. After then you can select send. So please wait. Okay, successful send. Okay, so nikija kwenye database ni hii hapa. So nikija katika table ya message ambayo ni hii, so nikiclick now naona extend long duration. Okay, and status is disapproved and message is blah 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 blah, and current user I will send hii message. Okay, ni user mwenye ID hii hapa ndio amesend hiyo message. Okay, so access is the same. Okay, again. Okay, so yes, okay, so come to an application. So naona bado imeshikilia please wait hapa. So nikija kwenye Android application nitakuja kwenye hiyo sehemu ambayo imeshikilia please wait, and of course hapa tulikuja kwenye hii send message hapo. Okay, so tuna copy hii hapo, tunakuja hapa kwenye for send message. Okay, so now hapa just like button.set clickable. Now ilikuwa ni false, now we just put it true. Okay, then sending not please wait and retry. Okay, so tunakuja again hapa request time out. Okay, again retry. Okay, retry, and just choose true. Okay, and then just copy it, and pale problem ipo kwa successful sent. Of course ni hapa just choose send message. Okay, and clickable is true. Okay, so now run your application and come to check application. Okay, so sasa hivi ita run. Okay, so now just hapa nimesha run na hiyo hapa ina launch. Okay, so just access support. So pick a problem, for example incorrect loan installment, and select it, and for example blah 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 blah, and when you send a message successful sent, na imebaki send message. Okay, ni come to database and nikirefresh. Okay, hii hapa imekuja. So nikijust ku send the same message, hii the same problem has been detected, usawa nilisha send. Otherwise ni just select another postpone loan duration. When you click retry, successful sent. Okay, so when I come to database you can see postpone. So huyo ni user ambaye ni huyu mmoja anatuma. So suppose nina come in my application, then nabonyeza log out, then log in kwa user mwingine, for example this one, and then I click login. So welcome Kim. Okay, so after Kim login I click installments. Hapa tuna installments zake, then support, then hapa naweza pick problem. So just pick a problem, extend long duration, and blah 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 blah, then send, successful sent. Okay, so nikija kwenye database, so user mwenye ID hii, so huyu ni user mwingine ambaye ame login. Okay, so extend long duration. Okay, so ni send the same problem. So hawezi kutuma hii, labda aje user mwingine hapa. For example now when I click log out, okay, and log in another user mwenye ID 0003 for example, and password 123. Okay, I'm login. Okay, so when I come to support, so naweza nikachagua problem ile ambayo alichagua mara kwanza, lakini kwa sababu ni mwingine, then blah blah blah, then click send, successful sent. Okay, so now when I click come to database, refresh. Okay, the same problem, lakini ni user mwingine mwenye ID 003. So no, ndio itakuwa ni hivyo. User anaanza send message. So nataka ku approve, no, inaweza kuja ku approved, disapproved. Okay,